Hey guys, quick intro and a call out if you want your car featured on the channel and have a go at the mystery box. Hey man, I'm so lucky just checking out the car parks and spotted this sweet VF parked up. So it's another VF session coming today, legends. G'day guys, welcome back to the Commodore Garage. Here we have Jaden. G'day Jaden. How are you, mate? Good to meet you. What a beautiful machine you has today. VF 2013 Procharged in there. We're not going to talk about too much about the engine at the moment, but she's seriously cammed, and I mean seriously cammed. My ears are still hurting, mate, from when you give it a bootful. Give it a boot, mate, a big boot. Fuck, that's loud. Hey guys, the mystery box. Yeah, what's in here today? Well, you're just going to have to wait and see at the end of the show. But something's in there that Jade's going to have a little challenge, and we'll see when it comes to the time whether he wants to take the challenge or whether he wants to forfeit. So the forfeit today, we'll talk about that at the end. But yeah, it's going to be a bit of a crazy forfeit. And what have we got over here? And I'm not Santa, I'm Father Christmas. But there's a nice prize in there for the man if he actually takes the challenge and meets what he needs to do in there. He gets the prize in the bag. So here's Jane. We're going to talk a little bit about this car, and you can see there that straight away it's got these wicked headlights, and they change colours with the remote.
Yeah, bro, just a little remote here.
Yeah.
Got that angel eyes from Spectrum. They do the job, do what needs to get done.
Many different colours. And you were saying something about, mate, you can hook it up to the stereo so it actually...
Yeah, you can put it all different colour changing, changes to music and everything like that, strobes and everything, so it's pretty cool. There's little upgrade.
So there's some really cool stuff you can get these days. Love the number plate, mate. Not bad, huh? Is that not badass? Or badass?
meant to be not bad, eh? But yeah, couldn't get the Y in.
Yeah, nice, mate. Let's have a bit of a look around the car, eh?
Yeah.
So we got some nice Rambo brakes in there by the looks of that.
Yeah. Yeah, they come off with the VF REDLINE.
Oh yeah,
series.
They come as standard with the REDLINE series, eh?
Yeah, upgrade on the front.
Good. Big rims, mate.
Yeah, 20 inch on the front and 20 inch on the rear.
Yeah, nice low profile tyres there.
Yep.
245s on the front, I can see.
275, sorry.
Yeah, that's all right, mate. No worries. I love the actual colour, and she's got a nice shine as well. Lovely.
Yeah, it stands out a good when it's all polished up.
Yeah, it does stand out. Okay, Jane, let's have a look inside, mate. We'll go into the interior.
Yep.
Nice, lovely. Smick as, clean as, mate. Oh yeah, spot our little throttle controller there, they're good. Just to hold the power back a bit if you need to, but I'm sure Jaden doesn't want to do that.
Definitely not. Definitely not.
Definitely not. So I'll just take you all the way around the car. I got the drop down tips at the back. Beautiful. So hey guys, here we are in the car. We're just about to go out for a drive. There's Jaden over there and he's all geared up, ready to go.
It's happening, everyone.
Yeah, so yeah, when you're ready, mate, let's start him up. Oh, love the note.
Cheers, bro.
She's nicely cammed. Oh, that's sweet sound to my ears. Oh, I love it, mate. Yeah. So you've got a nice crackle. See why you enjoy this car so much, mate.
Fucking oath, I love it, eh?
Yeah.
Perfect everyday car.
Yeah. you were saying about the head unit's been updated, Jade.
Yeah, it's got the full 9-inch touchscreen upgrade off it from Holden.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, got all the button deletes and everything like that. So
yeah,
does everything you need.
So we just pulled up, guys, side the road. Jaden's going to lift up the hood. Going to check her out and see what's going on under there. Beautiful. Nice and clean. Procharged there. Mate, she's a lovely engine bay.
Yeah, cheers, Ian.
Yeah, tell us a bit of stuff, mate, about what's going on in there.
So it's just a Procharger running 7 psi pulley on it, and there's just still stock injectors, just with a bigger cam.
Yeah.
So obviously I've got a plan to put the bigger injectors in soon and try and make a little bit more out of it. Making about 750 to the rear wheels on a safe tune at the moment. So
with the same Procharger, or are you going to update, make that bigger one?
I'll probably just keep it the same at the moment, just because it is a daily.
Yeah. So the injectors and tune will give you what you want.
Yeah, be a bit closer to 600 hopefully.
Okay.
Fingers crossed. But it's just got a big cam in it. Yeah, you got the gearbox done as well, so I've got a twin blade heavy duty clutch in there.
Oh yeah, you'd need it.
And then just got a Pro power track diff in the rear.
Have you? Yeah. Handles it all right?
Yeah. 100%.
What about when you go to 750? You're going to need to change it, you reckon?
No, the Pro track diff is real good.
Are they?
Yeah, they're built for power, real strong.
Yeah, they can handle a bit of grunt, can't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice, mate. Do you want to just jump in, mate, and start her up?
Yeah, man.
We'll get a bit of a sweet supercharger wine. Oh yeah, gotta love it. So good. Nicely cammed up. Nice whine on it, mate. Mate, that's sick. It's seriously sick.
Yeah.
Love it. I love it. What more can I say? Yeah. Nice and tidy machine, mate.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
And again, like I said, love the colour. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Nice stance on the road. Rides really good on the road, guys. And we got sticker up the top here, Humble Empire. Tell us about that, mate.
Yeah, it's just a little car cruise that me and my brother and a couple of mates made up. Try and make it a bit different. Just love looking at cars, looking at people's builds. So hopefully just see them out there.
How often you guys meet up?
At least try to do it every second week at the moment, just because we're FIFO, so trying to manage it between there.
Yeah. So fit in with the work schedule, eh?
Yeah.
I have to come along and have a look.
Yeah, sounds good.
Check it out. Yeah.
Happy to have you.
Yeah, thanks, mate. So back in the car, guys, heading back to the car park. Going to go and have a look at the mystery box, the box. See if Jaden wants to have a go or he wants to forfeit.
I'll definitely be.
What do you reckon, mate? You're going to have a go, you reckon?
Definitely be having a go at it.
Yeah? Yeah. Sweet. Oh, we'll see how you go with it. Nothing too hard today, but you'll find out. Okay.
I'm excited.
Oh, I love it. Fuck, man. That's got some oomph. Oh, jeez. I think you're going to put a bit of tyre smoke down, are you? See, God knows. Man, that is so good. So good. Pushes you back in the seat, mate, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does a little bit.
Yeah.
It gives a good feeling. It definitely
it sure does. His old mate, he goes, geez, he's smiling at us, mate. They're making a bit of noise down there. And we're coming back up to the car park, guys. Hopefully I didn't stick my finger in the front of the camera this time. But yeah, it took some hanging on to it, believe me. Good on you, mate. Thanks for that. That was cool.
More than welcome.
Yeah, it's sick. G'day guys, so we're back to the box opening time. And whether Jaden wants to open the box, I'll let him think about it, but there is a challenge in there for him to do. Not going to tell him yet, because he needs to choose whether he wants to open the box, and then he's got to accept the challenge. He can't forfeit then. Yeah, or if he chooses to forfeit, I go and get the Ford banner out of my car, and I get him standing next to the car holding up the Ford banner, and on video saying, I own a Holden, but I love Fords.
Yeah,
what do you reckon about that?
That's definitely not going to happen. I'm going to give that challenge a red hot crack and see how we go.
I was hoping you'd say that, mate. Because being a sweet Commodore, you don't want to mention a Ford, you don't want to love a Ford, right? All right, so you're going to take the challenge.
Yep.
So let's see what's in the box.
What have we got in the box?
Oh, not that stuff. We don't need that. What's in the... Oh, geez, mate. What are these?
Bit of tyre shine.
Tyre shine. So the challenge today is that Jaden's got a 1 minute, 60 seconds, guys, to do the whole 4 tyres. Oh, that's 15 seconds a wheel. You reckon he can do it? I reckon he's going to. So this is called the tyre shine shuffle. Yeah. So the idea is he gets the thing around the tyre quick, moves on to the next one. I'm going to have the timer down on him, 60 seconds. Every time after he's done the tyre, he's got to look at me and go, yep, and move to the next one.
All right.
You down for it?
I'm down for it.
Sweet. All right, mate, I'll give you that. All right, mate, here's Jaden. He's getting geared up, ready to go. Give her a shake up.
Yeah, mate.
So I'll get him moved over to the first tyre, and all he's doing is it's the tyre only, not the rim. And I'm going to put the clock on him in a sec. And he's got 15 seconds. He's got 60 seconds all up.
Yep.
And just remember, mate, after you do each tyre, I want you to turn to the camera and go,
thumbs up.
Roger. Thumbs up, all right?
Yep.
So you might have to skip a bit, but when you're ready. So 1, 2, go, mate. 5 seconds down.
Yep.
Easy. He's doing it easy.
Professional.
These low profile tyres, mate. Real easy.
Yep.
Good on you, mate. Look at that, it's 2 done and he's only like at 22. This is an easy challenge. I have to come up with something harder. Yeah, so he's getting to 30 seconds now and he's going to the last tyre. So double thumbs up, mate, to finish, please. Good on you, bud. Thanks. Thanks for taking the challenge. Real easy one. Jeez, Ross, I'm going to have to come up with something harder, I reckon.
100%.
Yeah.
A little bit trickier.
Anyway, mate, yeah, a bit trickier. But over in that bag there.
Yep.
You want to pick up the bag?
Yep.
And I've got a little gift in there for you, mate, for coming out today.
Oh, yeah.
So it's a Maguire's Cool Shine pack.
Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, it's got a bit of gear in it, mate. I don't know if you can turn it over and see what's in there.
Yep.
Yeah, so yeah, a bit of stuff for your car, mate.
Yeah, sweet.
And you can have a play around, play dirty and get it clean.
100%. Awesome. Cheers, though. Appreciate
thanks, man.
it.
Thanks for coming out today. Really appreciate it. Showing us your car and getting some rubber on the road, man.
Yeah, no, awesome. Had fun.
Awesome stuff. Thanks, Jaden. Cheers, mate.
All good.
It's a wrap. Just doing a little bit of an outro, so he's going to start up the sweet VF, mate, and you'll see a bit of action as he leaves the car park. Thanks again, mate, for your time. See you around at the car shows, yeah? Cheers, man. Look out, guys, look out. That was sick. Rubber downs, she's smoking. See you, mate. Mate, that's a fuck up. Doesn't matter, it's just the first take was good, so I'll